I've entitled this little clip, Graphing Tricky Linear Equalities. Now what's that sign there for? Well, we're just going to do a little bit of playing around with these inequalities. A question like this used to really confuse me. For every heater in the house there are at least 6 light bulbs. That is until I got the idea of the old seesaw. So by using the symbols of H for heater and B for light bulb, B for bulb, we're going to put the 6 B's on the bottom and the H on the top. Now if we were to make it equal, we would have to multiply that side by 6. So hence the inequality is B is greater than or equal to 6H. Most people think you'd need to multiply the light bulbs by 6 and have 6B, but it's not, because we need to make this equal and balance. We're not talking about the weight, we're just talking about the number of symbols. Here we've got only one symbol at the top to make it, what's happened there? Go back. Don't panic. And 6 symbols at the bottom. So we need to put extra symbols, we need to multiply by 6, so it's the heaters that you multiply by 6. That would balance out your seesaw so they are equal, because we need an equals there. Cool. Now this example is not supposed to detract from any teachers at all, but let's use it as an example. Which one would you put on the bottom, the 5 stats or the 2 PE? By just using one symbol, we can, for PE teachers, the P, we can see that that would have to be the number of stats teachers would outweigh the number of PE teachers. So what we have to do is multiply the PE teachers by 3, not 3, I mean 5, and multiply the stats by 2. So 2S is at least 5P. 2S is greater or equal to 5P. For this one, we would put the rats at the bottom. We have 5 of them, and the dogs at the top. So 5D, 2R. That will give us 10 on each, and for every dog there are at most 2 rats. So the rats can't exceed the number of dogs, so we get 5D greater or equal to 2R. And for big equations, use a big seesaw. Another tricky type of equation is this one. The rule was for Y, we shade out above the line because we want to keep less than. However, in this case it is negative Y, so the rule reverses. Here is the line. We want negative Y, that's the opposite of Y, to be less than, so we want to keep the greater than area. This is shading out. So remember to use the seesaw type when you get the type of question where you've got a comparison. Try that one. What's the inequality? And here is your answer. Have fun. Enjoy the seesaw when you go to play. Bye.